Okay, so in this first video of my video series on biology, it's just an introduction. Okay, we're simply trying to introduce what biology is all about, okay, just to give you an interest. So if you're starting biology for the first time, you're at the right place, okay. So now, before we do anything, we first of all need to understand, okay, first of all need to know biology. What is biology all about? Okay, so now biology is not an English word, okay. It's not an English word. It's a word that was derived from Greek, okay. Most of these things that we're looking at, okay, what we'll be looking at, you find that some terminologies in biology could be hard to pronounce sometimes, simply because they're not English words, okay. It's a combination, most of them from Greek and Latin, okay. So let me not bore you with this story about Latin and Greek, okay. But then what I want to simply point out is biology comes from this Greek word bios, okay, and logos, okay. It's a combination of two Greek words, bios and logos, okay. So bios simply means life, logos simply means study of, okay, the study of something. So when you combine the two words, okay, it gives us an understanding of what biology is, okay. Biology is the study of what? Of life, okay, the study of life. So as we study life, okay, there are some characteristics that define life, okay. These characteristics, okay, or what we call properties of life, okay, for us to identify that something is actually living, they are what we call characteristics of life, characteristics of living things, okay. So I'll cover this part in my next video, okay. Just be on the lookout, okay. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for the next video, okay. So characteristics of living things, these are things that would differentiate something that has got life and something that doesn't, okay. Something that is living and something that is not, okay. An important question here I would ask, a virus, okay, is it a living thing or a non-living thing, okay. So we now know what biology is, the study of life, the study of living things, okay. So living things in biology, okay, we don't call them living things, we don't use the term living thing, so we use what we call an organism, we call them organisms, okay. Any individual that has got a living entity or life in it, okay, these are known as what? Organisms, okay. An organism. So we have what we call living organisms, okay. Living, we use the word living organisms. So in this world we're living in, okay, on earth, okay, it's called an environment, and this environment that we have things that are living and things that are not living, okay. So living things are broadly classified into plants, okay. An example we can give here are trees, okay, trees, okay. Then we also have animals, okay. An example we can give of animals here, humans, we are classified under the animal kingdom, okay. And for non-living things, okay, we have rocks and all man-made things. Example of man-made things, okay, our favorite device, a cell phone, okay, it's a man-made, okay. So all these are non-living things, meaning they lack properties, okay. What type of properties are they lacking? Characteristics of what? Living things. And to look at these characteristics of living things, very much easy to understand and quite simple, okay. So all living things that satisfy or they have characteristics of living things, who study them under living organisms, okay, broadly classified into plants and what? And animals, okay. So now we have examples here. Plants, we have trees, okay, that's a good example. Animals, okay. So now in animals here, you have what we call zoology, which is the study of non-human, okay, non-human animals. Okay, non-human animals, for example, a lion. Okay, then we have another part. Okay, specifically it focuses on humans. Okay, call this human biology. Human what? Human biology. And the study of plants, it's called botany. Botany. Okay, it's called botany. That's the study of plants. We call, so these are branches of biology. This is a branch of biology. This is the branch of art of biology. There are many branches of biology. Okay, there's biochemistry. Okay, a lot of branches of biology. Now there's another branch of biology that is quite interesting. Okay, it's an interesting part, interesting branch of biology. We call this one microbiology. Okay, so now the word micro, remember, these names were not just brought together. Okay, they mean something. Micro simply mean it simply means something that we're unable to see by our naked eye. Okay, we're unable to see. It's not visible with our naked eye. So under here in biology, we'll look at things like parasites. So there are parasites that you can see with your naked eye, and those parasites that you are unable to see with your naked eye. Okay, we'll look at things like fungi. Also fungi, there are those we can see with our naked eye, and those that we cannot see with our naked eye. Then you also have bacteria. Okay, again, virus. I put a question mark. Is it a living thing or not? Okay, so a virus, we'll look at whether it qualifies to be classified as a living thing or a non-living thing. Okay, so not so much on this video. It was just an introduction. Okay, so subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos, simple and straightforward.